Hi Joe, it's Zoe from ZVA. I thought I'd hop on just to let you know how I found the course and just to let you know a little bit about me, my background. I used to work with a lady called Carol who mentioned to me that she was looking into becoming a virtual assistant. She found the handbookers and that she had purchased your course, told me a little bit about it, gave me the links. I looked into it a little bit, but at that time I wasn't ready to set up, and it wasn't something that I could envisage myself doing at that time because I was enjoying my job at the time. So my circumstances had changed, and then I purchased your course, well, actually invested in your course back in March 2017. And I actually launched ZVA in the September. I took my time doing the course at my own pace, which is the beauty of the course as well, because you can dip in and out of it as and when you want to. Since then, I've reread the course, which it has changed because things have changed legislation-wise. So, which it's been updated, and so I read it from start to finish all over again. And that's what's nice about the course as well, is that you've always got that backup. You've always got that to go into and reread should you want to. You have access as well to the Rockstars group, which having the support and the knowledge of all of the ladies and gentlemen that are in there is invaluable. The support, and if you've got a question, you've only got to ask, and people are more than willing to help and give you feedback or advice on a certain topic or anything like that. Going back to the course, I find that your style is it really resonated with me because it felt like you was talking to me and guiding me through. So you was guiding me step by step and keeping to the order that you had to set up the business as well. It really helped me, and just reading all of the content that you've got on that handbookers group is really useful as well, because I really wouldn't have known where to start or even how to start and set up a VA business. So it was really useful for me. The reason why I set up ZVA was because of I needed to have flexibility. I've got a little boy who started school in September, and that's actually when I launched the business. So that I was able to have that flexibility around his schedule, but also to continue doing the work that I enjoy, and also to work for myself instead of an organisation. It's been eye-opening, and I've really enjoyed every step of the way. Anyone that's wanting to invest in Joe's course, I would highly recommend it, especially if you've got children. It's really, there's really no words that I could describe the freedom that you get and the flexibility, because trying to find a job that revolves around a school run, it's like finding a needle in a haystack. It really is. So this gives you the ability to be able to carry on doing the work that you like, but also earning at the same time. So if anyone wants to set up a business and is scared to do so, I mean, I would never have thought that I would set up a business. It's not something that was ever something that I was always wanting to do, but I would definitely recommend it. And I've heard people say it before, and I'm gonna say it as well. I wish I had done it sooner. Okay, speak soon. Bye.